Back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you're not new here, welcome back. My name is Cash Like Money. Today I'm going to be doing an updated lash room tour. I made a couple changes, so before we get into the video, don't forget to smash the notification bell so you can be a part of the glam fam. As always, guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe so you can be linked in on my newest content. Let's get into the video, shall we? This is what the front of my suite looks like. The two felt memo boards are from Hobby Lobby, and the business card holder is from Office Depot. That black container is from Walmart, and it just holds all of my business cards and aftercare cards. This is the front of the door. My mom made the reef, and the Wi-Fi password thing behind it is from the dollar store. It comes with chalk. Alright guys, so first of all, this is what the outside of my lash room looks like. So this is the front door, and then we're gonna go inside. All right, so over here I did have an update. This is a flower wall. The flower wall I got from Amazon, and the string lights I got from Five Below, and I got 2 of them. This is a pack of 8, I believe. So yeah, again, the flowers Amazon, and the lights Five Below. So there's that. Also, I updated my floor to white marble, and I believe I got it from Menards or Lowe's. I got peel and stick. A pack of 20 of them was like $25, I believe. Shelves right here from Five Below, and so this shelf right here holds my lashes. This is my lash brand. These ones are in Wednesday, and it is Mean Girl themed, so I put those right here. And then they do come in little kits, so I have that there. Some more decor, and then here is my photo shoot that I did with 𝒢𝓂𝒂. I got these picture frames from Walmart. They're like a what's it called, like they're supposed to look like a canvas, I guess, and I got those from Walmart. I think they were like $5 each. This shelf too is like, everything on this wall is very symmetrical, so I got a shelf over here too, and it's holding my lash supply. Alright, so then on this side I have my custom pillow. I made the design, and I got this pillow from Amazon. And then this is my Marilyn Monroe wall. So I'm a big Marilyn Monroe fan, so this one behind me Miss Rhonda already had in the room, and then these 2 right here were from my grandma. Over here I have a style guide for my clients in case they don't know what they want. So this one tells the different eye shapes and styles, and then this one tells the length and the thickness of the lashes, so they can kind of look at it right there. And then this one is please wear a mask. During COVID time I made everybody wear a mask. I'm more lenient with it now. There's some more decor up over here. Okay, so behind me right here, that's where I keep some of my lash class supplies. The little cart that it's on I got from Family Dollar. I believe it was like 10 bucks, 5 or 10 bucks. And I just store that, and sometimes I put waters and treats on there. All right, so over here is the closer up of those wall things. I literally got them, I believe, on Etsy, and I just printed them out. The frames are from the dollar store. They just look more high-end because they're white and they're kind of symmetrical. All right, so here are my lash menus with a pen, and then these are all my consultation forms that I keep for people, the paper copy ones, and I keep digital copy ones as well. This is my lash cart right here, and I'll flip it around so you guys can see. And then I keep distilled water, a gallon, in my room, so I'll flip it around so you can see my lash cart. Alright guys, so this is my lash menu where it says lash here, and then those are my client consultation forms. This is my lash cart here, and then I keep a distilled water, and this is my light and my lash bed. We're gonna go through that in a second, and that's the cart that I keep my lash supplies on and mannequins and stuff. So we'll go through my lash cart now. So my lash cart, all of this stuff I pretty much got from Amazon. This I got from the dollar store, Amazon, Home Goods, Amazon. I label everything because I'm like OCD. I just got a new fan in the mail. My old one I tried to spray paint and I messed it up, so I have 2 fans. This organizational container came from Discovery. And then this, I got this stuff from Amazon. This is for my clients when they put it over their face. I wanted to do all of this and bling it out, but I just haven't gotten around to doing that quite yet. Over here I have towels to put on my clients' foreheads and for my pillow for sanitation. These are some lash trays that I use. I do champagne toast from Bath and Body Works. This I got from Amazon. Yeah, and then these shelves are 5 and below. I keep my lash baths on there, but I'm out of stock right now. Over here is like a little lash style guide of the lashes that I sell. These 2 I'm out of stock with, so I didn't put them back up. I have champagne toast spray for Live Bay Lash, puts that on all of her orders, so it smells nice when people get it delivered to them, and I started doing that too. I have my policy up there. I spray painted that. My grandma got me this, so I don't know where it's from, but I painted it and put the lashes on there. My grandma got me that little everyday I'm hustling sign. And behind here I have glitter masks or rhinestone masks for sale. Hit me up if you want one. They're gonna be on sale for the end of the year. This thing my grandma got me and I broke it one time cleaning up. This came, Miss Rhonda had this, and then these are PR packages for YouTubers that I haven't sent out yet. Okay, and then over here I have my humidifier, my not lash brushes, makeup brushes. I have this little decor thing. I'm pretty sure my grandma got this. My grandma gets me most of my decor stuff. She is really nice and I'm spoiled. This part right here, I want to upgrade it and get an IKEA one, a white one. But in here I keep my income tracking. I have a lockbox here for change, or if I have to make large deposits to the bank, I lock it. This one was from Amazon, like 10 bucks. And then all of my lash supplies are in here, my burn book ones, the kit that comes in them, the magnetic liner, the applicator, and a scrunchie and stickers. And then my other more affordable lashes are in here. They're all named after Mean Girls. And they all come with like little kits in these little baggies here. I pre-package them so they're ready to go. And I sell them to makeup artists too for a discounted price. There's more in here. In this bottom drawer, I have lash class supplies. And then underneath my bench, I have extra products in this little container. I have my humidifier box. And then in the pink container, I have stationery supplies. All right, so this is like my view when I lash. So I have pens over here, scissors over here, all the stuff I need to lash map. I put a towel down here and a towel down here for my supplies. Sometimes I have the pillow there if they need it. If they don't, then I put it on my bench over here. And I have memory foam under here. And I cover it with a lash bed cover. Over here, one of my clients actually broke this because it dropped, but it is magnetic. This is from Amazon. It comes with this light. It has a little storage here and a storage here. I put tape in here and gel pads in here. This is when I'm lashing like a new client, but all of my regulars, they have their own little tiles. So yeah, that's that. This pillow is from Amazon. This is from Amazon, and this bed cover is from Amazon. Okay, so this is my lash stool. This is my trash. I have a heater here. This is my laundry. So I have the Purex crystals, some laundry detergent, and my towels are what I wash. And I wash my linen as well. And that box is just from the dollar store, and I got the stickers from Amazon. This is my daughter, 𝐻𝑒𝓁𝓈. 𝐻𝑒𝓁𝓈, what do you want to say?
Can I say it by myself?
Yep, say it.
Follow me on all my socials.
Alright guys, so that was my lash room tour. I don't think I have anything else to say except for I love you. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to smash that notification bell if you're going to be part of the Glam fam. As always guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see you in my next video. All the links will be in the description box down below to everything, so click them, buy them, and if you do watch this video and get inspired, tag me in your lash room tour videos. I hope this helps. I love you guys. See you in my next video. Bye.